Hey guys, let's eat with my little cousin. We have fried rice here. Hey. We have viewers here. Here. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna film her today to see how do you know how she eats. So yeah. Watch guys. I'm just gonna be in the side in case she falls. The camera, it's you, baby. Mommy. Mommy. Can you give me water? Please. Hey. Today we're wearing my seat. You're inside out, baby. My water, please.
Nga kaon. Mana to kaon?
Wait.